Oh boy.
In 2017, Hurricane Irma destroyed many houses and homes on the island of St. John. All Hands and Hearts came to the island to help restore, rebuild the community. Follow me along as I take you to the island of St. John, where I volunteered with All Hands and Hearts. If you are a bougie traveler and love luxury accommodations, then All Hands and Hearts may not be for you. We stayed in dorm style like rooms, and we also stayed in tents. Over to the pantry area where you can make your breakfast, either oatmeal, cereal, or eggs on the stovetop. But don't forget to pack your lunch, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, veggies, granola bars, or some fruits.
Hey y'all, I am with All Hands and Hearts. This is not glorious work, but somebody has to do it. I'm tired, I'm sweaty, I'm dirty, but I'm glad to be helping out with All Hands.
Physical items can be damaged, but photos and memories stay alive. Clean up, everybody clean up.
I'm in the middle of the woods and I'm eating moringa. Plus I have a lot of nutrients. I've been wanting the salad. It's so expensive on the island. I think I'll eat this instead.
I